Welcome to the AI Disease Prediction System, an intelligent healthcare solution designed to assist in early disease identification using the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence. In today's world, people often experience symptoms but delay medical consultation due to uncertainty or lack of immediate access to healthcare professionals. This delay can lead to late diagnosis and increased health risks. Our AI disease prediction system addresses this challenge by analyzing 132 plus medical symptoms to predict 42 different disease categories with an accuracy of up to 98%. It acts as a preliminary diagnostic support tool that provides instant insights and helps users make informed healthcare decisions. First, users select their symptoms from an intuitive interface or use the randomization feature for demonstration. Next, the system processes these inputs using a random forest machine learning model trained on comprehensive medical datasets. The AI engine analyzes symptom patterns and instantly predicts the most probable disease along with confidence insights. Key highlights of the system include real-time AI analysis, fast predictions, secure and private data handling, and a modern responsive web interface. The platform is built using Python, Flask, scikit-learn, pandas, and NumPy, ensuring reliability and scalability. The backend is powered by Flask. The machine learning model uses random forest classification, and the frontend is developed with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This system is ideal for students, healthcare research demonstrations, academic projects, and early-stage clinical decision support systems. Please note, this system is designed to support healthcare decisions and does not replace professional medical diagnosis. In conclusion, the AI disease prediction system demonstrates how artificial intelligence can transform healthcare by delivering faster, smarter, and more accessible health insights. Thank you for watching.